What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal my product that I launched on Amazon and sold for over 1 year. This is the product that I had in my $1,000 experiment. If you don't know what my $1,000 experiment was and all the numbers that I mentioned, you can check it out right here. But basically, I was able to launch this product on Amazon with under $1,000, and I never went over that limit. So it is possible to sell a product on Amazon without a huge budget. Again, this was a rare product and a rare opportunity, but I'm going to share the actual product with you. I'm going to show you all of the sales that I made over the last year, how many units I sold. So I'm going to break all of this down in the video, but before we get into it, if you could just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, that would really help me out. So thank you for that, but let's dive in. All right, so I know a lot of you guys are anxious about the product. And again, this was a product that I would not normally sell, but I saw an opportunity and I thought I need to go for this. There's an opportunity to make some money, and I ended up selling a lot more than I imagined. So I'm going to put up my sales number right here, and you can see I made a little over $58,000 in sales. I will put my actual breakdown of profit right here. And by the end of this experiment, I was averaging around a 40 to 45% profit margin. So this is my actual profit that I made from this product over the last year. Now you can see it is not much, but I did make an average of around $2,000 to $3,000 a month in profit on this one product. All right, so now I'm going to reveal the product. Are you guys ready? All right, guys, so here it is. It is a sticker. Now, I launched this product around the end of July of 2020. So businesses were recommending that you wear a face mask when you enter the store. And I knew this product wouldn't sell forever. It sold for about a year, and you saw from the chart that sales started declining over the last like 4 or 5 months, but I was still making money. This is how much inventory I have left. It's 102 packs of stickers. And this is why I was able to launch this product with under $1,000, because 500 units of these fit in one box. Now, why is that important? That is important because your shipping fees are going to be very low. I paid under $1 for each unit with shipping included. So that was why I was able to launch this product on Amazon and do pretty well, because I was selling these at $12.99. My goal was to sell them at $16.99 when I first launched, because that was what everybody else was selling them for. But my average price was around $12.99. So this product was under $1 landed, and with the fees on top of that, my average FBA fee was around $3.75 to $4. So that was why I was able to have that large of a profit margin. That's why I always mention you want to sell small, lightweight products, because the fees are going to be very low and the shipping is not that expensive compared to larger items, because shipping can be a lot of money. So typically I usually put my brand name on the product. I get a sample, but since this was a sticker, I pretty much trusted the supplier. They sent me some pictures and they had it shipped to Amazon in under 1 month, because I did Air Express since the shipping was so cheap, because it was only 1 carton. So let me show you my actual listing. I'll show you how I did my photos without having a sample. I did it all in Photoshop. So here's my listing right here. You could see after all of my sales, I ended up with 173 reviews, which is pretty good because I did not ask anybody for reviews like I typically would. I did not get influencers to promote the product. These were all sales strictly from PPC. Now, PPC was pretty cheap because the average reviews when I launched this product was only 8. So there was not many sellers selling these stickers on Amazon. Of course, it got a lot more competitive over the months after I launched this, but luckily I got a head start and I maintained my rank pretty much throughout the first like 8 to 9 months. And then as more competition came in, it did slow down my sales because demand was dropping. More sellers were jumping into the market, but I was still making pretty good sales. So this is my listing right here. You could see this is an actual render of the sticker, and it is pretty accurate to the actual sticker itself. Again, it is a black and white sticker, and I came up with this design because I'll put a little image up right here. But basically on my apartment building, I saw this dumb looking sticker. It was like a person's face with a mask on it, and I thought I would never want to put that sticker on my business. I want to have something that stands out and it's pretty much modern looking. I don't know how you can make a sticker look modern, but this is my design that I came up with. These are the pictures, so I like to have pictures showing it in use. So I got a picture of a storefront on Google, and I just photoshopped my sticker onto the actual picture. Again, here's another thing that shows how it works on glass or any surface like a wall. And again, I photoshopped the sticker. Pretty easy to do this type of Photoshop work. And then I did waterproof because it's important, because if it's on a piece of glass outside, then people want to know that it is waterproof. And then I have the actual size right here so people don't get the product and say it's too small or too big. And then right here, I have a picture of a hand next to the sticker so they could see how big the sticker is compared to someone's hand. So I like to do all of this so people don't leave bad reviews and say, oh, the sticker is way too big, or it does not look like it does in the pictures. it looks exactly like the picture. So that's what you always want to do, is put all of the references in your pictures, so that will limit bad reviews on your product. And then right here, I just have another photoshopped image. I show it on glass by elevators, typically where you would use these stickers. So I knew this product wouldn't sell forever, and I knew I would reveal the product. It did take a little time. I did stop selling this in the beginning of July, but by the time I gathered all my information on this project, I finally released the video right now. So hopefully you guys like this experiment. I will probably try to do another experiment like this if I see an opportunity next year after Q4, because Q4 is crazy right now. Shipping is crazy. But now that you've seen the full experiment, you could put everything together. This was my product. It was a 2-pack of stickers, and it says face covering required. A very simple product, very small, very lightweight, and the risk was very low, and that is why I launched the product. So again, this is not a typical product. This is considered pretty much a seasonal or a trend product. I don't want to say COVID is a trend, but I knew it would last for over a month, so that's why I said by the time I get these in, these things are going to be selling well, and luckily it went a lot better than I expected. All right, guys, that is it for the $1,000 experiment. This is the conclusion video. If you're not in my Amazon FBA Facebook community, check the links down below. I also have Helium 10 discount codes, and I teach people how to sell on Amazon. So check all the links down below in the description. But that is it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this experiment. It was pretty fun. And now when you see someone saying that you need $10,000 or $20,000 to start Amazon FBA private label, you could tell them that is not the truth. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.